So today we are going to be learning how to download the Google Play Store on our Amazon Fire tablet. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using the Amazon Fire 8 12th generation, Amazon Fire 8 Kids Edition 12th generation. So the first thing you want to do is go to your internet, go to your Wi-Fi, connect the tablet to your Wi-Fi. That is the first thing you want to do. So go here and connect. So we have connected to the internet. Go to your settings and then search for device options. Scroll down. When you get to device options, scroll down. You will see about Fire tablet. You need this particular information because you are going to be needing it to download the APK files for this tablet. So you can see this is Amazon HD8 12th generation. You need that information. So just take note of that and then go back to settings, and then the next thing you go to is security and privacy. In your settings, go to security and privacy. It's in here. Scroll down, apps from unknown sources, click on it. So Silk browser, because we are going to be using the Silk browser, you want to enable this. So click on the Silk browser and then click allow to download from unknown sources. Then go back and then go to your browser, search in here, then go to www. So it opens to this website by androidpolice.com. Hold on a bit. Yeah, you can read about this, but the APK files that we need to download are down the page. So you can read if you want to, or you can just go straight to where the APK files are. You know, before I said that you should check the kind of Amazon Fire tab that you have. For this particular video, I'm using the Fire HD8 12th generation. So I'll be looking for that here. And we are going to be downloading some APK files to be able to allow us install the Google Play Store in a particular order. So the first APK file you want to download is the Google Account Manager. So it has to be downloaded in this particular order so that the Google Play Store can work on your Fire tablet. Google Account Manager, followed by Google Service Framework, followed by Google Play Services, and then followed by the Google Play Store itself. So the first one we are downloading is the Google Account Manager. So you look out for the one that fits the kind of Amazon Fire tab that you are using. This is Amazon Fire HD8, 8th, 10th, and 12th generation. So I'll click on this. This is for Fire 7 if you have 7. This is for Fire 10 if you have a Fire 10. So I will be clicking on Fire HD8 12th generation, this one. Okay, so once it opens, scroll down to Google Account Manager, download APK. So you see here, download APK. So click on it. This is an ad. Yeah, download APK, and hold on a bit while it's downloading. File might be harmful. Yes, just ignore that and download anyway. So open, it has finished downloading. Install, and then click on done. So we go back to the first page. We are done with Google Account Manager, so you go to Google Services Framework. And remember that our tab is, this particular tab I'm using is Amazon HD8 12th generation. Scroll down, and then you see download APK. Click on it. This is an ad. Close. allow it to download anyway. Open, install, done. So we go back and then we download the Google Play services for Amazon HD 8 12th generation. So HD 8 12th generation falls within this first one, so that is what we'll be clicking on here. Hold on while it opens. This may take a while. Okay, so you click on any of this. Let's click on the first one. This is an ad. Close it. Look for download APK right here and download. Hold on, this may take a while because it's larger than the other files. So hold on a bit while it's downloading. It's downloading. It has finished downloading, so we'll install. Okay, so this is done, and then we go back and install the Google Play Store. So this is universal for all Amazon Fire tabs. So just click on it and wait for it to load. We look for the Android version, Android 12 points, Android 10K plus. So let's use this. Then open, install, done. Please do not click on open yet. You may need to restart the system before you open the Google Play Store. So I'm just going to click on done, and I'll go back. Let's see if it has installed on our Fire tablet. Yes, we have the Google Play Store installed. So I am going to restart the Amazon Fire tablet now before starting the Google Play Store. Okay, so our tab has restarted. So I'm going to try and log into the Google Play Store now. On the Google Play Store, you can get access to YouTube. The Google Play Store allows you to use the YouTube, Chrome, and all other Google apps on your Amazon Fire tab. Without it, you may not be able to use Google apps like Google Classroom and all other Google apps on your Fire tablet. But with the Google Play Store installed, you can use all those Google apps on your Amazon Fire tablet. So I'm going to sign in now. And yes, we are live on Google Play Store. Get started. Yes, I want to get started. I'm in. Not now. Yes, you have access to all your favorite Google apps. You can download YouTube Kids, Chrome, Khan Academy Kids, and all other apps from here. Yeah, you can also check for children apps. Everything here is expert approved, but ensure that you check before you download if it fits the kind of content you want for your children. Yeah. Thank you and bye for now.